All right, so this is a quick video explaining homework for this course. So if you go to the top of the Canvas module and click homework, it's going to look a little bit different once this video gets posted, but there's information here about setting up the homework for the course. Remember, there's two kinds of homework. There's Canvas assignments and there's MyOpenMath. The Canvas assignments are pretty obvious where to find them. They're right here inside of Canvas. Basically, you're going to start at the top, and over the course of the semester, you're going to work your way to the bottom. Okay, so that one's kind of a no-brainer. But what about the MyOpenMath homework? Well, you click this link here to get to MyOpenMath. Here is your course ID that you're going to use to get set up. Yeah, and then you should be good to go. So this is what it should look like once you get into MyOpenMath. So once you get in here, you get into the course, it's going to look like this. Now notice right up at the top it says here, please find a free PDF copy of our textbook with the following link. So you're going to click this. It's going to take you here and see how it's saying, oh, we recommend you pay $15. And yes, it's nice to contribute to people who do open source work because that allows them to have more time in order to do nice things that some people get for free. If you feel like you cannot contribute to this textbook, you don't have to. You just take this slider and you slide it all the way down to $0. And then when you click add ebook to cart, you go through the process. It's going to give you the book. In fact, you can even just click the book only if you don't need the tablet-friendly version or past editions, which I don't. So I just got the book. But see, you can get it for free. Click here, and you'll end up with the free textbook, a PDF of it, and it's going to look like this. Right? So you've just got a nice PDF. You can have this right in a convenient spot on your computer because you probably want to check it fairly often in this course. You'll want to look things up, and this is very useful. Okay, so then you go back to here. So let's take, for example, Chapter 1, Introduction to Data. So you can tell, it will tell you in here, in fact, if we go over to the calendar, it's telling you you have stuff due Wednesday. What's due Wednesday? That first Chapter 1 material. And you'll notice that you're over here in Canvas. It also matches those dates of when things are due. Okay, so basically you're expected to have Chapter 1 due by the dates that are listed. The homework's due then. So if we go back in here, we go into Chapter 1. It's saying, please read sections 1.1 through 1.4. You may find the following summary videos helpful, but please do not use them as a substitute for the text. So watching these videos does not substitute for reading through the material. There is some material you're going to want to read through and become comfortable with. Okay, so you've got some videos here. You've got the reading assignments that are inside the PDF. And then what you're going to see down here is some extras if you want to look through some stuff. But mainly down here, you've got the Chapter 1 homework assignment. So when you click that, it puts you into your homework assignment, and these are problems that you need to work through using what you learned from the video and the book. Now notice here there's a question help video down here. Look, if I click that video, look what happens. There's a video that's going to help me understand what's going on. So you can watch the video here. And then that's going to help you out. Sometimes the videos are very closely related to the problem. Sometimes they're slightly different, but they kind of give you an idea of what's going on. So what you're going to do is do this problem, work through it. There's a problem very similar to this in the book. So if you're confused, find that example in the book and look through it. So, and that's basically how it works, is you're going to come in here. You're going to work just like the modules page on Canvas. You're going to start at the top and you're going to work your way to the bottom. That's what you're going to do here, right? You don't have to watch every one of those videos, but they're helpful. You do want to make sure you do this homework assignment by the time that it's due. There are late passes allowed in this class, but you only get a certain number of the late passes. So plus in a class like this that moves so fast, if you get behind, it can be very, very difficult to catch up. So please try to stay as current as you can. But there are late passes that allow you to work on the homework a little bit late. Okay. So if you have any questions with that, please contact me. As always, you can get a hold of me. Best way to do it is on the left of the Canvas inbox. Message me, and we can set up a Zoom meeting if you like.